Ayi nangivele mina guys ngiyavuka sekuseni lapha. Niyazi ukuthi the first thing that you do uma uvuka ekuseni kumele ugeze ube muhle ugqobise unuke fresh. And the only way ukuthi unuke fresh ube nesikhumba esimoyizela-ke is to use Nivea Men Body Lotion Maximum Hydration. This winter since I started using Nivea Men Cool Kick and Max Hydration ngishaya ngenye confident yomhlaba. Iskin sami si-fresh kanjani si-soft ngathi sinkwa somgamulo esiqeda kuphuma ku-oven. Nivea Men Max Hydration Cool Kick is a total game changer. It's a powerful triple moisture boost, deeply hydrates my skin, keeping it fresh and moisturized all day. Yazi kube bekuya ngami ngabe ngizokhela matilo lana estradeni the way skin sami si-fresh ngakhona nginiqhomela. Nivea Men Body Lotion is a total flex. It keeps my skin moisturized, defends against dryness, and leaves me feeling like I have a newborn skin. Fast bese sengiqedile ukugeza lapha ngithatha ngiphumele ngaphandle ngibona ukuthi zigiphani bangithi ihlanga hlangabeza i-pitbull ngiyalibona ukuthi lilambile. Ngathi yazi nathi ngisale ngilibamba ngebreakfast fast lapha. Eyewazi wangidisappoint umshana kula malanga akasabambi inkukhu ngebreakfast akasabambi i-pitbull ngebreakfast. Ayi sekayakhula lo qala ukuba ne-attitude ebhedayo. And sekugazini ngicabanga nokumpakela isukesi yakhe lapha abuyeleni le spray lekapa emganduzweni. Ayi mara nina nizongiscott maphuma mangingahambisa umshana. Niyazibona nezinkukhu lapha loko ziyangilandelela khombisa ukuthi izilambile umshana dololo next ukuzibamba ngebreakfast. Fast bese sengiqedile ukuphi i-pitbull lapha ngathi yazi nathi ngigeza izandla masinya. Ayi mangiceda ugeza izandla lapha ngezwe izandla zami ngathi ziba dry ngathi yazini athi ngishaye around lapha endlini masinya ngiyozigqobisa. Ayi nako lana endlini kuhlangahlangene yo yes. Ayi mara ngizabuya ngiklina lokho jumpers my let me protect my skin from dryness. Winter blues won't stand a chance with Nivea Men Lotion in my winter essentials. Goodbye to dry skin and hello to all day hydration. Fast bese sengiqedile ukumoisturize iskin sami lapha ngazizwa ngiphethe indlala nyana ngathi yazini athi ngiyothatha inyama lapha ngiqoba ngathi ngamayimayi. But at least mina ngiyoyidlela phezulu kwesivalo se-wardrobe. Aya ngeke ngilunge vele kulento yokudlela phezulu kwesivalo se-wardrobe siphushuka kangaka. Ngasho ngi-add isosi nyana lapho ukuthi ibe ne-taste nyana enice. Isosi yakhona yebaba babithi gom cake. Angisho ngifuna uncisha umshana. Angisho umshana kula malanga kangilaleli guys. Makumele abambe izinkukhu zakamagogo ngebreakfast uvela nyamalale nje mangithi ngimhlola ngimthola bhiza abukela abakhokho melon. So le indlela yami yokuthi ngimphanisha makafika lana athi ucela ngimuphe ngivele ngimfaka ipiece ebaba strong emlomeni. Ngiza ngixolela ukuthi ivlog yami yanamuhla imfishanyana guys, but don't forget to drop those blue hearts ku comment section and share.